In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove floating home button from your iPhone's home screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll down until you find Accessibility, and once you get into it, tap right here at Touch. That's where at the very top you can easily find Assistive Touch. And basically, guys, all we have to do is just turn off that toggle next to Assistive Touch to remove that floating button from the home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.